Well, welcome back. And in the story titled Matru Pritihi, Pritihi generally means love and affection. Matru Pritihi, it can mean the love and affection towards mother, or it is the love and affection of the mother. So, how we can mean it depends on the samasa and its definition. Matuhu pritihi means mother's love. Okay. Let us just read and understand. Kasmimshchit grame Yashoda nama kachit mahila asit. In some village in the name of Yashoda, some stree was there. Tasyaha Rajeshaha nama putraha asit. And she had a son in the name of Rajeshaha. So Kaschit, Kasmimshchit means in some place. Kachit, someone. So this chit chana pratyayanta shabdaha that we are using in Sanskrit for anishchitartha artha. In the anishchita. Nishchita means you are sure. Anishchita, you are unsure. In which village? I don't know. Kasmimshchit village. In some village. Who was Mahila? Who was that Yashoda? I don't know. She is Kachit. She is somebody like that. Okay. So this Chittana Pratyaya, many locations you can see. Yashoda Mahata Kashtena Sampaditena Dhanena Putram Pritya Palitavati Asite. And with great difficulty, she earned money and she was looking after or carrying the son. Rajeshaha Mitraihi saha kridanne samayam yapayati sma. And the son playing with the friends, he was spending the time. Parantu Rajeshaha kanchit amsham avalokitavan asit. But Rajesha observed something. Avalokitavan kanchit amsham. Kim amsham? Something. So here again, kanchit chit chana pratyayanta shabdaha. What is that? Yat that mama snehitaha sarve pitrohu sahayam kurvantaha santi iti. All my friends, they are helping father. Mitrehi va maya api karaniyam iti saha chintayati sma. So like my friends, I have to also do. परंतु तस्य माता स्वपुत्रस्य कष्टम अनिच्छन्ति पुत्रद्वारा अल्पमपि कार्यं न कारयति स्म. But his mother स्वपुत्रस्य कष्टम अनिच्छन्ति. Most parents are like that. They don't want the children to get into any trouble. So not liking the difficulties which will be faced by children. Putradvara alpamapi karyam na karayati sma. She was not doing even a little or a petty works through him. Karoti, I do myself. Karayati, I make someone to do that. So this is Nijanda Dhatu. Ataha Rajeshaha Nishchitavan yat Anyam Gramam Gatva va Maya Karyam Karaniyam iti. Maya Karyam Karaniyam. That portion, if you see, it is karta maya, karma karyam, karaniyam, aniyaranda shabdaha. So this is a bhave prayoga. Ataha, therefore, Rajeshaha nishchitavan. Rajesha decided that anyam gramam gatva, having gone to some other village, by me, some work is to be done. Ekasmin dine saha mataramapi anuktva grihataha prasthitavan eva. So on one day, without telling mother, he went out of the house. Prayanam kurvan Rajeshaha kanchit gramam. Again, chit chana pratyaya. While doing the journey, he reached Praptavan, means he reached some village. Tatra kasyachit dhanikasya grihe. Kasya grihe, that we don't know. Kasyachit, somebody's rich man's house. Udyogam prapya karyam kartum udyuktaha abhavatcha. So he got job in some rich man's house and he started doing the work. एवमेव वर्षं यावत् कार्यकरणानन्तरं राजेशेन माता स्मृता. So like this he did work for 1 year and he remembered mother. अतः सः मातरं द्रष्टुम् इच्छामि इति धनिकम् उक्तवान्. So he told that master, that rich man, Sir, I want to see my mother. तदा धनिकः तस्मै एकं रजतस्य फलकं दत्त्वा एतत् जागरूकतया गृहं नयतु इति उक्तवान्. Rajata means silver. Rajatasya phalakam. Phalakam means a plate. So he gave a silver plate to the Rajesha and told, you take it carefully to home. यदा राजेशः धनिकस्य गृहे कार्यं कुर्वन् आसीत् तदा तत्र विवाहद्वयं प्रवृत्तम् आसीत्. When Rajesha was doing work at the rich man's house, 2 marriages happened. तदा धनिकः कर्मकरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः इच्छानुसारम् उपायनं दत्तवान् आसीत्. So during the marriage he gave all the workers as per their wish some gift. तत्काले राजेशः उपायनं न स्वीकृतवान् आसीत्. And during that time Rajesha didn't take any gift. कृतस्य कार्यस्य निमित्तं वेतनमपि न स्वीकृतवान् आसीत् सः. And he did not take a salary also. Vetanam means salary. He didn't take salary also for the work he did. Ataha dhanikah tasmai adhikam rajatam dattavan asite. So the rich man gave him more silver. Rajeshaha rajatam rangavena badhva tat skandhe stapayitva utsahena tataha prastitavan. Rangavam means that shawl like what we put on our shoulder. So in that he tied and he happily started going home. Agre gamanasamaye Rajesasya manasi bhavaha utpannaha yat skandhetsitasya rajatasya bharaha adhikaha asti iti. So while going he felt the load is much in the shoulder. He was hanging that silver plate. And it is very heavy like that he felt. Kinchit agre gamananantaram kaschit purushaha ashvam aruhya purataha agatavan. Kinchit kaschit, both are chichana pratyaya. After going some distance, he saw some man ashvam aruhya. So in horse, he saw somebody coming in a horse. Tam drishtva rajesha chintitavan. And Rajesha thought, seeing the person in the horse, यदि मम समीपे तादृशः अश्वः स्यात् तर्हि अहमपि वेगेन गत्वा अचिरात् एव मातरं द्रष्टुं शक्नुयाम् इति सः चिन्तितवान्. कः? राजेशः. यदि इफ मम समीपे वित् मी तादृशः अश्वः स्यात्, that type of horse is there, तर्हि then ahamapi, I too, vegena gatva, having gone quickly, achirat eva. Achirat means without much delay, very quickly. Shigram, achirat means like chigram. Mataram drashtum shakniyam, I am capable of, I would be capable of seeing mother so quickly by going on the horse, if I had such a horse. Ataha saha ashvachalakam prishtava. So he asked that person who was riding the horse, Hey Swamin, etasya ashvasya mulyam kiyat iti. What is the price of this horse? Like that he asked. Ashvam kretum ichchataha bhavataha samipe kim va asti iti Rajesham prishtavan ashvachalakaha. And the person who was riding the horse, he asked, what do you have to buy the horse? Tada Rajeshaha sa samipe sthitam rajatam ashvachalakaya darshitavan. Then Rajesha showed the silver valuables he had. Saha ashvachalakaha rajatam drishtva ashvasya danam angikritava. And the person in horse, he accepted to exchange the horse for the silver. Rajesha rajatam tasmai datva ashvam svikritavan. And he gave the silver, took the horse. Anantaram ashvam maruhya upavishtavan cha. and he got in the horse. Anukshanam eva ashvaha vegena dhavanam arabdhavan. Immediately the horse started running faster. तस्य वेगस्य नियन्त्रणं कर्तुम् अपेक्षित दिशि अश्वं चालयितुं वा राजेशः न शक्तवान्. तस्य वेगस्य नियन्त्रणं कर्तुं कस्य अश्वस्य to control the speed of the horse अपेक्षित दिशि अश्वं चालयितुं and to drive the horse in the desired direction. राजेशः न शक्तवान्. Rajesha was unable to do that. मार्गे कश्चन गोपालकः राजेशस्य परिस्थितिं दृष्ट्वा अश्वस्य पुरतः आगत्य स्थितवान्. And some shepherd, Gopalakaha, that someone who is carrying cattle. So en route, somebody, his shepherd, he saw the condition of Rajesha and he came in front of the horse. Mahata kashtena ashvam sthagitavan cha. And with great difficulty he stopped the horse. Tavata kruddaha ashvaha shariram kampayan Rajesham patitavan. And by that time the horse became so angry and it made Rajesha to fall. Patitavan means I fallen. Patitavan means somebody made me to fall. That is Nijanda Dhatu Iktvanta Shabdaha. Gopalakaha tam uttapya bhavantu vamanaha asti. And Gopala lifted him and said, you are very short. Vamanaha means short. Unnataha means tall. So Vamana Avatara, that Vishnohu Vamana Avatara, short. Bhavane kimartam ashvachalanam karoti. Why are you riding horse? Etam ashmam kutaschit kutaha. From where? Kutaschit from somewhere. Choritavan va bhavane iti prishtavan. Have you stolen this horse from somewhere? Like that he asked. Because he is very short and he is a young boy, so he is not able to control the horse. So that shepherd asked, have you stolen this horse from somewhere? Rajesha pravurtam sarvam tam muktavan. And Rajesha told all the story behind that. Bhavata doshaha kritaha asti. You made a mistake. Yetam ashvam drishtva bhavataha matuhu santoshaha na bhavete. Your mother won't be happy seeing this horse. Ashvam vina bhavane dhenum yadi nayete tarhi bhavataha mata kshirena dadi kuryate. If you go with a cow instead of the horse, then your mother will be happy. She can take milk from the cow and she can make curd. The dhi means curd. Kshiram means milk. Idanimapi kalaha na atitaha. The time is still not lost. Bhavane ashvam mahyam datva dhenum nayatu iti uktavan Gopalakaha. So that shepherd told, okay, you give the horse to me and take this cow, like that. Rajeshaha tasya vachanam angikritya ashvam Gopalakaya datva dhenum svikritya tataha prastitava. And Rajesha is a young boy. He is a very pure boy. He is not having any, because even for the work he didn't took any money from the master. So he is not knowing this world vyavahara, how to behave in this world, who are all the people I will meet with, what they will do, whether they cheat me, they help me, nothing he was knowing. So that we call such people stupid. That is not stupidity. They are very plain and they don't know all this cheating and other thing. So he gave the horse and with the cow he started. Parantu Gopalakaha Rajeshaya Krisham Vriddham Dhenum Dattavan Asit. But this shepherd, he cheated. He gave this Rajesh Krisha, means very lean, Vriddha, and very aged. He gave one, very weak and aged cow. Aged cow, it won't give any milk. मध्याह्नसमये राजेशस्य महती बुभुक्षा अभवत् and in the afternoon time Rajesh had a great hunger. सायंकालः यदा भविष्यति तदा धेनुः क्षीरं दास्यति इति भाति. So we know that every day evening cow is giving milk. So he thought in the evening cow will give milk. I feel so. Iti bhati means I feel so. Tat pitva bhabuksham nivarayishyami iti Rajeshaha chintitava. So he thought drinking that milk I will satisfy or satiate my hunger like that. सूर्यस्य अस्तमनसमये सूर्यास्तसमये राजेशः अजानां समूहस्य समीपं गतवान्. So in the evening time when the sun was setting, he went, he was going to his village to meet mother. So in the evening time he went near to some ajanam samuha, means a group of sheep or goats. सः अजपालकं पृष्ट्वा एकं कलशं स्वीकृत्य दोहनम् आरब्धवान्. And he asked the shepherd, Ajapalakaha. Gopalakaha, one who carries a cow. Ajapalakaha, one who carries the goats. So he asked for kalasham, a pot, and dohanam arabdavan. Dohanam means milking the cow. Tada denuhu padena tam praharat. Then the cow, it kicked him by its foot. Generally, the cow, when it is not familiar with, it won't allow that. Praharati means to attack. Praharat is langlakaraha. Praharati aharat. Pra plus aharat, savarna dirgha sandhi, praharat. So this is langlakaraha, prathama purushaha, ekavachanam. एतत् सर्वं दृष्ट्वा अजपालकः हसन् एषा वृद्धा धेनुः अस्ति, एषा भवते क्षीरं न ददाति, भवान् कुतः एताम् आनीतवान् इति पृष्टवान्. So seeing all that shepherd, he laughed. What is this? It is very old cow. It won't give any milk. From where you got this? Like that he asked. Tada Rajeshaha pravurtam sarvam ajapalakam uktava. And he told all the story to that shepherd. Sarvam shrutva ajapalakaha kopi bhavantam vanjitavan. Somebody cheated you. Listening to all the story, he said like that. Kaha api kopi. So this api also used like a chitchana pratyaya. Kopi means kaha api. And with puru rupa sandhi, like that, visarga sandhi, all that gives that rupa, kopi. Bhavan etam dhenum atraiva tyajatu. You just leave this cow here itself. Aham bhavate ekam ajam dadami. I give one sheep to you. I don't know, sheep, goat, all I think, maybe that male, female like that, or some variety. Okay. So aja generally I mean that sheep, goat like that. Satu bhavate uttamam kshiramapi dadati. And she will give very good milk also. Agre etasyaha karanataha bhavataha grihe aja samuhaha eva bhavishyati. Iti uktva ekam ajam rajeshaya dattavan. So he gave one sheep and told, by this you can make so many goats, because it is female, it will give the calves, and it will make so much in future. Anantaram tasyaha eva ajayaha kshiram patum. And subsequently you can drink the milk of that sheep. Dattavancha, Dattavancha, the same sheep which he gave to him, that sheep's milk he gave to this Rajesha. Tasmat santushtaha Rajeshaha ajam svikritya tata prastitava. And happily this Rajesha, he started further. Kinchit duram yada gatam tada sa aja Rajeshena saha gamanam nirakurvati पृष्ठतः एव गन्तुं प्रयत्नमाना उच्चैः आक्रोशनम् आरब्धवती. Kinchit Duram. Kati Duram, I don't know. We don't know. Some distance. So again, Kinchit, this is Chitchana Pratyaya. After going some distance, that goat, it turned back and it would not go to its old master. And it made Akroshanam. Akroshanam means screaming. Tam agre netum Rajeshasya Shaktihina asit. And Rajesha is a young boy, he could not take it further. Okay. तावति काले कश्चित् जनः हस्तेन कुक्कुटं गृहीत्वा तेन मार्गेण आगतवान्. So by that time, तावति काले, by that time, कश्चित् जनः, somebody, again chit pratyaya, हस्तेन कुक्कुटं गृहीत्वा, taking some rooster. Kukkutaha, this is rooster, male cock like that. He came by that road. राजेशं पृष्टवान् च, भोः भवान् किमर्थं एतावत् कष्टम् अनुभवन् अस्ति, एषा अजा भवदीया न वा इति. Why are you getting so much troubled? Whether this sheep or goat, is it not yours, like that? पुनः राजेशः स्वकथां तं जनं निवेदितवान्. Again Rajesha explained all the story of him. सः जनः सर्वं श्रुत्वा भवतः ग्रामः इतोपि दूरे अस्ति. And that person, listening to all, he said, your village is still far away. एताम् अजां तावत् दूरं भवान् नेतुं न शक्नोति. You cannot take this sheep to that long distance. अतः भवान् एताम् अजां मह्यं दत्वा एतं कुक्कुटं नयतु. So you take this rooster by giving the sheep to me. येषः कुक्कुटः प्रतिदिनं 10 अंडानि ददाति. And this rooster will give 10 eggs every day, like that. We know hen gives egg, not the rooster. Keshuchit eva dineshu, again chit pratyaya. Keshuchit, in some days, dineshu, bhavatah griham kukkutaihi purnam bhavishyati. Your house will be entirely filled with this hen. Tada bhavatah matuh api ativa santoshah bhavati iti. Then your mother also will be very happy, like that. तस्य अभिप्रायम् अङ्गीकृत्य राजेशः एतस्याः अजायाः पीडा मास्तु इति चिन्तयन् तस्मै अजां दत्तवान्. Okay, let me not worry with this. Like that he gave that sheep and took that rooster. कुक्कुटेन सह ततः प्रस्थितवान् च. कुक्कुटः अंडं न ददाति इत्यपि ज्ञानं न आसीत् राजेशस्य. So the boy is not even having the knowledge that rooster is not going to lay eggs, like that. एवमेव अग्रे गमनानन्तरं कञ्चित् ग्रामं प्राप्तवान् राजेशः. Like that, while going, he reached some village. तत्र कश्चित् अनेकान् खड्गान् निकषस्य उपरि आघर्षयन् निशितान् करोति स्म. Okay. Tatra, there, kaschit, again somebody, anekane khatkane, nikashasya upari. Nikashaha means that grinding stone. Khatga means that sword, knife, like that. Khatga in the king's period we say sword. Nowadays khatgaha means like churika is knife. Khatga is some that blade, that cutting blade, like. Agharshayan. Agharshanam means rubbing, that filing. We say, when something is not sharp, we can file that. Like knives and scissors, they are filed in grinding stone. Nishidan karoti shma, and he was making sharp. Rajeshah tatraiva stitva tena kriyamanam karyam pashyan bhavani kim karoti iti prishtava. So sitting there, he asked, what are you doing? Katkane nishitane kurvan asmi aham. I am sharpening these swords. Yatasmat dhanam sampadayatum shakyate. And I can make money out of doing this sharpening work. एतदपि किञ्चित् विशिष्टं कार्यम् इति राजेशम् उक्तवान् सा जनः. This also is very special work. Everybody cannot do like that. मम समीपे अपि एतादृशी शिला अस्ति चेत् उत्तमं भवेत् इति उक्तवान् राजेशः. So Rajesha thought, if I have the grinding stone with me, then it would be better like that. तदा सः जनः उक्तवान्. And that person said that, मम समीपे अन्या शिला अस्ति. I have another grinding stone. यदि भवानी इच्छति तर्हि तां भवते दास्यामि. So if you like, I will give it to you like that. मम समीपे कुक्कुटात् ऋते अन्यत् किमपि नास्ति इति उक्तवान् राजेशः. And Rajesha told, other than this rooster, I have nothing. तच्छ्रुत्वा सः जनः चिन्तां मा करोतु, भवान् कुक्कुटम् एव ददातु, अहं निकषोपलं ददामि इति उक्त्वा निकषं राजेशाय दत्तवान्. So I will give that the grinding stone like that, you give it to me like that. He gave a grinding stone to him. अनन्तरं राजेशः तं निकषं स्वीकृत्य ग्रामं प्राप्तवान्. And subsequently this Rajesha reached the village. सः मातरं मुक्तवान्. And he told the mother everything. धनिकेन दत्तं रजतं दत्वा एतादृशीं विशिष्टं शिलां प्राप्तवान् अहम् इति. So by giving that silver plate, I got this grinding stone which is very special. Like that he said. तस्य तत् वचनं श्रुत्वा माता अहो कीदृशः मूर्खः अस्ति भवान्. Oh my God, what a stupid person you are. उपयोगरहितां एतां शिलां आनीतवान् खलु भवान्. You brought this useless. उपयोगरहितः means that which is useless. Upayogarahita akaranda strilinga. Upayogarahita, that is Visheshana. Shila is akaranda strilinga shabda. So Upayogharahitam etam shilam anitavan. Kama anitavan shilam anitavan. Kidrishi shila कीदृशीं शिला एतां शिला पुनः कीदृशीं शिला उपयोगरहितां शिला भवतु नाम. ओके, लेट इट बी. रजतं नष्टं चेदपि चिंता नास्ति. ओके, इवन इफ वी लॉस्ट सिल्वर देयर इज नो वरी. भवान् सुरक्षितम् आगतवान् खलु. You came very safely, you know. So after 1 year, he is meeting the mother and he is very young boy. तेनैव मम अतीव सन्तोषः इति राजेशं उक्तवती. And I am very happy by your safe return to the home. अनन्तरं राजेशः मातुः मार्गदर्शनस्य अनुगुणम् उत्तमरीत्या कार्यं कुर्वन् धनं सम्पादितवान्. So now he got the exposure to the world and now he followed the directions of the mother and he did so much work and earned money. तेन धनेन मातरमपि सुखेन पालितवान् सः. And with that money he looked after the mother also very happily, comfortably. Hope you liked this story. Like I said, from every story there is something to learn. My intention from all this story is to learn Sanskrit and at the same time to learn the lifestyle in India, different periods of time. So here we can see variety of stories which give various period of time and the lifestyle of our people. Well, I will meet you in some other new story. Take care. Bye-bye.